Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've recorded anything, just taking some time off, and here I am. It's been about a month. I've really missed hiking and the woods in general, but I got an upcoming trip planned this weekend, and I think you're going to like it, doing 7 days on the Appalachian Trail. So stay tuned for that, but in the meantime, I'm doing a training hike here. I had two choices between Old Butt Knob and Shining Creek to make a loop of just over 9 miles with near 3,000 feet of elevation gain. Old Butt Knob is known as one of the harder trails in western North Carolina. There's about 1,276 feet of elevation gain, I think, in mile 2 alone. However, this hike I'm on today, Snooks Nose, near Old Fort, North Carolina. I did both hikes 2.5 years ago, back to back, a week apart, and this one actually has more elevation gain overall in just about the same distance. It is an out and back hike. I'm going to Green Knob Firetower, which I believe is closed, but nevertheless I'm going to try and climb to the top if I'm able. And this one is, I think, 9.4 miles with 3,400 feet of elevation gain, according to All Trails. So we'll see what Gaia has to say in the end. But anyway, it's a training day hike in preparation for the backpacking trip I'm going to undertake on the Appalachian Trail. So stay tuned for that, and I'll show you guys everything I can on this one. Alright folks, I made it to Snooks Nose, and the trail's right over there, and I was just looking around for snakes, and I found one in this little spot right here. I'll give you a closer view. Look at that guy right there. He's not a real big one. I don't see a rattle, but he does look venomous. It looks more like a copperhead to me. That head looks like a copper color. So I don't think I want to get too close to him, but let's see if I can zoom in a little more. He's just lying as still as he could be. Best to leave him alone. So it's about 1/10 of a mile once you get to the parkway on the Snooks Nose Trail to get to the Green Knob Firetower Trail. And it's closed. That's what I thought was the case last time I was here, but I'll head up to it anyway. It's pretty steep. It's a 250 feet of elevation gain, just a couple tenths of a mile, so So this one's not that high. But you can't go to the top though.